Hi everyone. I hope you've had a blessed day so far. And I have had a day. It's been an amazing day, a truly amazing day. Today I had the opportunity to drop off some of the products from my brand, from my business to a store. And this seemed almost impossible a few months ago. I started looking for pop-up shops so that I could go and have a stand and sell outside while it was nice and hot in the summer and just sell my products in person. But that was something that really wasn't even on my heart to do. I didn't want to have a table and have to show up and hustle like that. And so I found this pop-up where they rented out a space, like a store, and they take products from small businesses and place them in the store on display, like a retail shop, a brick and mortar shop. And if your product is sold, you get commission, and we get payouts every month. And the fact that I was able to find a pop-up shop where they take care of everything. I didn't have to buy a table. I didn't have to hire staff or be staff myself and show up, hustle, and do all those things. Really, it's truly a blessing. And it just goes to show that anything is possible. They take care of everything. They sell the products for you. All you have to do is go and bring your products. And I started this business a little over a year ago, having no idea what I was doing. None. One of my friend's roommates helped me to design my logo, pick out my website and things like that. Shout out to them. They were such a great help. But I had no idea what I was doing. And I had no idea that a little over a year later, I would have products in a store. And I struggled. This is so crazy to say, but I almost missed out on this opportunity because I was like, should I even bring my products to this store? I'm moving. What if they need more products and I'm not here to give it to them? Or what if I have a demand now, like more of a demand, and people really want my products and I'm not able to ship them internationally, and all these things that showed up in my mind that really didn't matter, because what mattered is breaking the ceiling that I was in, of the level that I was in, and going to the next level. I had to break that ceiling. I had to stay up, make those products, get them all done so that I can go and do that simple drop off. It was as easy and as simple as dropping off the products and signing a piece of paper. But I had all these doubts. I almost didn't do it. So if you're someone who has an opportunity, go ahead and take that opportunity. Number one, don't listen to any reason in your head to not take that opportunity if it's going to make you greater, if it's going to encourage your evolution, if it's going to evolve you into a better human being, into someone who knows how to solve problems. Last night when I was making those products, I had come across so many problems that I had to just solve on the spot. And it was like, wow, I'm really a problem solver because I solve these problems on the spot. So take those opportunities. And I also was a little bit afraid. I don't want to say afraid, but I was a little bit hesitant to share this success of mine today. And it was because I had this limiting belief that I was not good enough. And therefore, I was trying to prove to myself that if I don't share this success, then somehow I'm proving to myself that I am good enough because I'm so good that I don't even have to share my wins. And it's like, actually, no. I have people who are watching me who might need to know things are possible. I have nieces and nephews. I don't have children yet, but I have nieces and nephews who might be wanting to do something similar and needing to see that this is possible, like whatever they want to do is possible. And so I had to show up and just bring out that evolved version of myself who actually doesn't care what people have to think. I'm sharing positivity. I'm sharing a success, a win, and my aim is to expand the minds of others and expand my own mind. And I'm in the woods, and it's really nice. It's really nice out here. I love the woods. I love the woods. And I'm a city girl. Anywho. So, share your wins. Don't let yourself get in the way of your success. You are good enough. And I had a conversation with a loved one today, my father, and he left me with a message, and it was to think bigger, right? Think bigger, because if I hadn't thought as big as me being able to become a vendor at a pop-up shop, I wouldn't have had the opportunity to do what I did today. And I should have thought bigger. I should have known that something like this was possible, because then who would know where I would be now, right? So it's all about thinking bigger, because you're gonna eventually get there. And it's likely that whatever situation you think of, how big that is, it's gonna end up greater, because God is greater, right? God moves mountains, and God is able to do things that you don't even see. God is able to make things happen that you can't even think about, like, and it's just a blessing, and it's amazing. And so I wanted to share those words. Think bigger. You are good enough. Share your successes. Share your wins, because you are a winner. And people deserve to know and see you win, so that they can know that they also can win. And don't let those voices get to you, because when I tell y'all, it's like this close to not doing it for no reason. I had really made up reasons, such as, am I just doing this for the money? This is not aligned with what I want to do right now, because I took a small break from that passion of mine of creating self-care products to pour into my YouTube channel and to really create more videos and more recipes, more blog posts. And so I thought that maybe both would be too much to handle, and I had to let go of one for now. And for a time period, that was true. Then the time came where God said, you can handle both right now, so go ahead and handle them. And I almost did not take that opportunity, but I did, and I'm so happy. So take those opportunities. You're a winner. You're a winner. Peace.